Good afternoon. My name is Jenny Milena Bernal Beltran. I am single. I am from Bogota. I am 32 years old. I am employed in a bakery. I'm a student psychology at UNAD, Universidad Abierta de Distancia. In my free time, I like to read or usually do the exercise. And sometimes I prefer walking open space with my son. I live in Chiquinquirá, and I am going to talk about this great city. Chiquinquirá is beautiful, and there are many churches, including the Basilica of the Virgin of Chiquinquirá, also park called Parque Juan Pablo II. This is beautiful and large park. Okay, and there is a statue in honor of Pope Juan Pablo II. Okay, generally during Holy Week, many tourists travel to visit the painting of the Virgin. Painting of the Virgin of Chiquinquirá. Okay, usually to see the waterfall of the Virgin of Chiquinquirá, which is located in the Renovación Church. Often people go out with their families to tour the park and visit the church and eat typical food from the region. And in addition, my city has several tourist places to enjoy with the family, such as the park Currucuyes, viewpoint where there is a great variety of fauna and flora, and this is a wonderful place. And finally, in my city, you can visit many church, parks, also try typical food. Okay, typical food choose as cocido boyacense. Okay, and visit the whole train station. Okay, and sample wall in the middle of natural connect with the environment. Okay, so come and visit this beautiful city. Okay, and thank you very much.